One summer's evening, when at my leisure for sport and pleasure I been bent for fun, I roamed the fields and the mossy hills where the pinion yields to my dog and gun. The charms of nature, they were engaging the grouse and pheasant on whir and wing, down by yon bramble where I do ramble, where the blackbirds warble and the thrushes sing. My heart was racing, in animation, in perambulation I took my way. All seemed invited, till I was excited by those bloody vipers who in ambush lay. Those low-life coolies, we call the police, from Corratariff they came with speed, with preparation, in combination, to have me taken, they did all agree. When they heard me shooting, sure they came crouching, to take me poaching was their desire. Well, they're worse than Pharaoh, or cruel Nero, well, they ran like bagels through mud and mire. But all their plotting and schemes were rotten, in Drumhullagon Bottoms they in ambush lay. As I was loading, after exploding, well, they pounced upon me like wolves of prey. With a voice like thunder, which makes me wonder, they cried surrender in the Queen's name. Give up your arms without alarm, oh, to seize my darling, oh, it was their aim. Well, it was to my heels, and through the fields, with yelps and squeals they did me surround, with eyes like eagles, and cries like bagels, but they were not able for to run me down. For I've been light airy, brisk as the fairy, I did not care about this dirty clan. I gave them leg bail, or else go to jail, or perhaps sail over from old Ireland. Well, I have gained my liberty throughout this country, in spite of bigotry or tyrants' laws. Well, I can dance and sing, make the taverns ring, or a shilling spend with my country boys. Now there are 4 disorders, yet on our borders, our patron saint he forgot to kill. They are cruel landlords, likewise informers, the cholera morbus and polis men.
Oh!